Hey everybody, I'm Gaius from the Shelter Institute. We've been in this house building business since 1974, and in the last 10 or so years, we feel like we've often heard people comment that there was someone in their past, whether it's a very handy uncle or father or grandfather, who really knew how to build and or fix everything. And often those people that are talking to us have inherited a set of tools from that person, and they have no idea how to use the tools and really regret the fact that they didn't spend more time with that relative or mentor learning the trade that they have. It's one of the reasons that fewer and fewer people are getting into the building trades, and it shouldn't be that way. Here at the Shelter Institute, we teach you about all of the tools to build with, and we also look at all of the different systems in a house, teach you how to create them if you're building new, to maintain them if you're living in a house, which gives you tremendous freedom living in a building, knowing that you can maintain it. You don't need to pick up the phone and call someone to come in and fix a problem. Let us be that treasured grandfather that can teach you how to build, how to fix, how to create, what that tool is for. If you really want to understand how to build a house and what's going on behind any wall in your building, you might be interested in our 2-week design build class, which is a building science-based class. If you're more hands-on, you learn better by doing. We have a great timber framing class called the Purely Posted and Beamed class, where we actually cut and raise a 24 by 24 foot timber frame. We also have an amazing tool store here in Midcoast, Maine, so if you're in the area, please stop in and see us. Our website is shelterinstitute.com. Thanks for listening, and we hope to meet you soon.